Hey there, resellers! Can you spot what's a dud and what's worth big bucks? Are you ready for a thrilling trivia challenge that will put your knowledge to the test? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Ultimate Reseller Quiz. We have an exciting game in store for all you savvy resellers out there. We'll be testing your expertise in identifying the value of various items, recognizing famous logos, and even diving into different clothing styles. Let's see if you can answer these 25 questions correctly. Keep track of your answers to see if you're a beginner, a pro, or somewhere in the middle. Get ready to put your reselling skills to the ultimate test. Which item is more valuable? Is it Merrell Moab 2 boots, a vintage My Pet Monster from 1986, or a J. Crew mercantile dress? If you only had $5 on you and you had to choose, which one would it be? The answer is the vintage My Pet Monster. eBay sales range from $100 to $200. What style are these boots? Is it A. Combat, B. Chuka, C. Chelsea, or D. Martens? The answer is B. Chuka. Let's see if you know your logos. Is it A. Lacoste, B. Izod, C. Tommy Hilfiger, or D. Nautica? I really can't tell. Is that an alligator or a crocodile? Match the logo. The answer is A. Lacoste. Which clothing brand is famous for its checkered patterns? Is it A. Burberry, B. Gucci, C. Coach, or D. Pendleton? This question is definitely for those resellers who know their designer names. The answer is A. Burberry. Which button-up shirt sells the fastest in the summer? Rank these three brands. Is it Brooks Brothers, Columbia, or Vineyard Vines? The answer is Columbia at number 1 with 38% sell-through rate, Brooks Brothers at number 2 with a 35% sell-through rate, and Vineyard Vines at number 3 with a 31% sell-through rate. Do you have a good eye? This is the tag spotting challenge. What's the brand? Did you get it right? It's Patagonia. Alright, clothing resellers, this one's for you. What style is this dress? Is it A. Shift, B. A-line, C. Empire, or D. Peplum? The answer is D. Peplum. Don't feel bad if this one stumped you. It is a little tricky to learn all the different shapes of dresses. Here's another logo. Is it A. Sims, B. Tommy Bahama, C. Weird Fish, or D. Southern Tide? The answer is A. Sims. What is this pattern called? Is it A. Hunter, B. Moose, C. Buffalo, or D. Bear? This was definitely a popular pattern back in the 70s. The answer is C. Buffalo. Which item is more valuable? We have Rock Revival men's jeans. We have a Donkey Kong plush from 1982. It's only 5 inches tall. And we have a Starbucks 2017 Collector Series mug. This one's very tricky. The answer is the Rock Revival jeans. eBay sales range from $70 to $85. What is a popular keyword used for these pants? Is it A. Chinos, B. Cargo, C. Joggers, or D. Dinos? If you're an experienced clothing reseller, this should be pretty easy. The answer is A. Chinos. Here's another logo. Is it A, One Love, B, Under Armour, C, True Religion, or D, Free People? Kind of looks like a smile to me without the eyes. The answer is C, True Religion. Which item is more valuable? Is it Mario Kart 8 for Nintendo Switch? Is it Hookah 11 Bondi 7 women's sneakers? Or is it a vintage Houston Oilers hat? You have to really know your video games to know if this one's worth anything. And hat collectors should have an easy time IDing this hat. The answer? The vintage Houston Oilers hat. eBay sales range from $100 to $150. This one's for the shoe resellers. What style is this shoe? Is it A, wedge, B, clog, C, mule, or D, platform? The answer is A, wedge. Here's another tag. What's the brand? Can you make out the letters? Looks like it's made in USA. The answer is Eddie Bauer. And this one was even tougher because it's a vintage tag. Alright, our next question is, which one is over and which one is under $50? We have a Lily Pulitzer dress and we have a Lily Pulitzer shorts. It's summertime, so maybe the shorts will go, but that dress is very nice. And the answer is, the dress is under, the shorts are over. This dress sold for $42 and these shorts sold for $115. Which item is more valuable? Is it the Sony Walkman, the Apple iPod 6th generation, or the Canon PowerShot digital camera? If you resell a lot of electronics, hopefully you'll get this one right. The answer is the Canon PowerShot. eBay sales range from $100 to $130. I definitely would have gotten this wrong because I haven't sold any of these before. Here's another logo. Is this A, Metal Militia, B, Mad Military, C, Metallica, or D, MM LaFleur? The answer is A, Metal Militia. Here's another clothing question. Which one sells faster in the summer? Is it Faded Glory men's shorts or women's Miss Me jeans? This one can be tricky. Obviously shorts are popular in the summer, but Miss Me is a very in-demand brand anyways. Could go either way. The answer is Faded Glory. These men's shorts sold at a sell-through rate of 37%, while Miss Me jeans sold at 31%. Here's another tag. What's the brand? If you've ever gone to the bins for clothes, it's definitely useful to know your tags. The answer is Old Navy. Here's another one. Which one's over and which one's under $50? This is a Gun Pusheen plush 16-inch from 2017. And we have the Muppets Most Wanted Animal the Drummer plush doll. The Pusheen is pretty popular right now, but Muppets is definitely a classic. Do you know your plush? And the answer is Pusheen is over and Animal the Drummer is under. This Pusheen plush sold for $130 on eBay. And the Muppets Most Wanted Animal Drummer sold for $20. We have another designer question here. Which clothing brand is known for their signature pattern? Is it A, Versace, B, Coach, C, Gucci, or D, Robert Graham? Do you recognize this pattern? The answer is C, Gucci. Alright, yard sailors, this one's for you. Which item is more valuable? We have a vintage North Face backpack, we have a Shimano Core baiting fishing reel, and we have a set of Wilson Iron golf clubs. Who knows if vintage North Face is worth anything? The answer is the Shimano fishing reel. It sold on eBay between $100 and $130. The North Face backpack sold between $40 and $50, and the Wilson iron set sold between $20 and $40. I honestly don't know if I would have gotten this one. Alright, here's another logo. This one may seem familiar to some of you. Is it A, PlayStation, B, Sony Genesis, C, Saturn N64, or D, Sega Saturn? The answer is D, Sega Saturn. And our final question, which item sold for over $1,000 on eBay? Is it Ronald McDonald's 1977 helium tank head, a Ralph Lauren Polo country sportsman sweater jacket, or a Titan board game from 1980? This one's tough. That polo jacket is very unique and could definitely go for a lot of money. Vintage board games, as you've seen from my videos, can actually go for a lot of money. And this random McDonald's item could also go for a lot of money. Which one is it? And the answer is the Ronald McDonald helium tank head. It sold on eBay for $2,100. The Ralph Lauren jacket sold for $556, and the board game sold for $750. Thank you all for joining us today, and remember, keep hustling and reselling those treasures. Until next time, stay tuned and keep those reselling skills sharp. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know if you enjoyed this quiz. Thanks for watching!